Now let me let you know, you've opened my heart. I was always thinking that love was wrong, but everything was changed when you came along. Oh, and there's a couple words I wanna say.
Alhamdulillah, sore ini sekali lagi kita bisa berkumpul di sini. Pada hakikatnya acara ini adalah acara yang bukan tidak boleh dilaksanakan, tapi untuk kedepannya harus dilaksanakan. Kenapa acara ini diadakan? Alhamdulillah ini hari kesekian belas ini adalah di bulan suci Ramadan, maka patut dan layaknya untuk nanti lokasi di depan Pak Kasat Intel minta tolong dibagi. Kita saling berbagi ke masyarakat. Mohon berkenan nanti adik-adik sekalian, bapak ibu yang rekan-rekan yang polisi, jangan ragu manfaatkan momen ini. Setelah acara takjil, pas nanti waktunya 18 kurang 10 kurang 5 atau 18.00, kita berjalan ke arah masuk Mako lagi. Ada masjid, di situ masjid kita buka puasa bersama, sholat maghrib, sunnah nanti bisa kita laksanakan sholat tarawih atau hal lain.
You're my wife and my friend and my strength, and I pray we're together. Oh, now I found myself, I feel so strong. Yes, everything was changed when you came along. Oh, and there's a couple words I wanna say. For the rest of my life, I'll be with you. I'll stay by your side, honest and true to the end of my time. I'll be loving you for the rest of my life. Through days and nights, I'll thank Allah for opening my eyes. Now and forever, I'll be there for you. I know it deep in my heart, now that you're here in front of me, I strongly feel love, and I have no doubt, and I sing it loud, that I will love you eternally. For the rest of my life, I'll be with you. I'll stay by your side, honest and true to the end of